something else for you to think about. When you focus on one fear, it might actually be disguising a different fear. When you're avoiding something, ask yourself, why are you avoiding it? Think about it this way. Do you avoid small actions or decisions? No. But do you avoid bigger moves and decisions? Probably. Why is that? In many cases, people avoid taking action because it's a big move and decision, and that scares them. So ask yourself this: are you afraid of rejection, or are you afraid of taking action? Are you afraid of the big moves you are about to make in your real estate career? You know deep down that you're about to level up, and that feeling scares you a bit. And that's okay. It is normal to be afraid to leave behind the comfortable and the known. When you look at your fear of rejection this way, you can also see what it is teaching you. It is reminding you that you are about to take some big steps. The fact that you're afraid of taking action is all the more reason to take the action. You know that those big steps are going to help you make some big moves. Your fear of rejection is simply keeping you on your game. It is keeping you aware. It is telling you that you are about to take some big steps and it's going to be worth it. Understanding this will help you make a major mental shift. All at once, you can overcome your fear of rejection and your fear of taking action. It's time for your next action step. Now that we've shone a light on rejection, I want you to start facing it directly. It's time to go out and collect some no's. There's a worksheet that you can use to track your no's. You will get points for all the no's you face. This is your first step towards getting comfortable with rejection and seeing it for what it is, simply a 2-letter word on the way to your next yes.